Michael here with Hawley Home Inspections. On today's episode of What's Wrong with Your House, we are going to talk about an open neutral and a switch neutral. Normally, with this switch being off, power will come into this box and it'll stop there until you flip the switch to complete the circuit. Because the neutral has been switched at this box, the power is coming down and still running through to the outlet. This is in the off position. If I plug in my 3-light tester, it shows that we still have power coming in here. So you can see here, it still has power, even though the light switch is off. If we hit the switch, it switches the neutral back and completes the circuit here. The problem with this is, if you were to have this off and you wanted to come work on this outlet, thinking that the power wasn't going to it, and you come in here and touch this, you're going to complete the circuit and it's going to be a problem for you. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.